Guys, make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make, and they may end up spending thousands of dollars on repairs, diagnostics, parts that they may not actually even need. We'll talk about that in this video today. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Super quick and helpful video to any of you trying to find out guys where the Camshaft Phaser Actuator adjuster fuses and relays are located on Mercedes GLC, that generation right here. Stay with us, we'll talk about that. What you need to check guys, okay? Please do not waste any money on parts, tools, diagnostics if you have problems with the Camshaft Phaser Actuator adjuster, because it could be quite simple fix. And after that, of course, if you need to buy guys any replacement parts and tools, we will guys share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Even before we start guys, let us share something with you. Okay, 9 out of 10 people do not know there will be hidden fuse boxes in that Mercedes. How many? Up to 6-7 different fuse boxes guys. Now, that's why we made a special video on our YouTube channel that's called Mercedes GLC fuse box location and diagram. Check it out. It's a video that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Now guys, when we make all these free videos, we take every single car apart that we get here at the garage. We make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmission, codes, fuses, relays, because our mission at the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So guys, the Camshaft Phaser, also known as actuator or adjuster, we'll explain about the fuses and relays, but if you have problems with it, always try cleaning and testing it. We'll have videos how to do that on our YouTube channel. We'll be working multiple fuse boxes today, therefore they'll have different engine management fuses that we need to check, and the first one is on the passenger side. Open guys the passenger door. In the footwell compartment on the passenger side on the APU you have a cover. Open that cover. You're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Now guys, before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, let us tell you something really quick guys. People make one common mistake. They never test fuses, relays. They look at them and they assume they're good. At that point, they think they have a good fuse or relay and they start replacing modules, computers, parts that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs guys. Always test your fuses. You have no idea how many cars we fixed for customers that said, oh, I checked the fuse, everything's fine, but I still have a problem. Now, some fuses are super hard to see if they're burnt or not. Some of them will be really easily accessible. You can clearly see them, but there will be fuses that are not see-through, fuses that may look like they're not burned, but they're actually burned. And often, guys, you can actually even test these fuses. Okay, let me show you now without even removing them, but it's very important to know how to test different fuses and relays. And if you want to see how to do that guys, we're going to put that link to a video in the description of the video below, how to test fuse, how to test a relay. Always check that. I want to emphasize that enough because it could be a really simple fix. And here guys, what we need to check here specifically, okay, multiple fuses. First one in that fuse box is fuse 315. That's the only fuse in that fuse box we need to check, but then we need to open the hood. Under the hood on the driver's side, you see on the right side facing the engine, that's the driver's side, remove that cover, and underneath you're going to find the engine management fuse box with a layout like that one here. We specifically need to check here guys, fuse number 122, 126, relay G, and here you have two relays, J and O. Under that cover, relay J, it's a white relay in most cases, I think you will need to check that one too. But we are not done. When you open the hood guys, you have a hidden fuse box. You see where the jump starter terminal is located here? Remove that cover, and underneath guys you have a built-in pre-fuse box that looks like this one. This is the back side. You have multiple cables coming out, and when you open it, it will look something similar to this one. You have multiple mega fuses here. Depending on the year and the model, we have two different kinds. This is one of them. Here you need to check fuse number 3 if you have that kind of pre-fuse box. But since you're already here, check all of them, because if you have problems with another one, it can cause that problem too. And then you may have this kind, okay, here as well. Here you need to check fuse number 5. Again, test all of them, guys. We're not done. we need to open the trunk. We need to check 2 more fuses. In the trunk, leave the cargo cover up underneath. You see that flap? Open it. And you're going to find the main trunk fuse box with a layout like this one here. We need to check fuse number 442 and fuse 451 right here. All these fuses, guys, will need to be checked if you have problems with that. Guys, this Mercedes has all kind of different fuses, right? You can see just in this fuse box we have 2 different kinds. Then if you go in this one, you have even some more special fuses right there in the trunk fuse box as well, guys. Now, it's always a good idea to keep some spare ones, guys, in the glove box for a peace of mind. That way, if you're in the middle of nowhere, you need a fuse, you replace it, you're back on the road. Otherwise, we'll be stuck in the middle of nowhere, guys. We'll share the links in the description of the video below where you can get replacement fuses, relays, where we get most of our tools, part supplies from as well. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching and see you next time.